In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Word documents and unify styles. We'll start by creating a clean workspace so nothing gets overwritten. Open a blank Word document and treat this as your master file. This is where everything will come together, so give it a clear name and location so you can find it easily later. Next, instead of copying and pasting, use Word's built-in merging tool. Go to the Insert tab, choose Object, and then click Text from File. This option pulls full documents into your master while preserving structure far better than manual copy and paste. In the File Picker, select the Word documents you want to merge. You can hold Ctrl to pick multiple files, or Shift to select a range. The order you select matters, because Word will insert them in sequence. When you're ready, click Insert. Word will pull in the content, including headings, lists, and any section breaks the source files contain. Now take a careful pass through the merged content. Look for inconsistent formatting, things like headings that don't match, body text in different fonts or sizes, bullet styles that vary, and captions that look off. As you spot issues, highlight them so you can quickly find them again while you standardize. To unify the look, open the Styles pane. Go to the Home tab, find the Styles group, and click the small launcher icon to open the full pane. Apply your preferred paragraph styles to elements like Heading 1, Heading 2, and normal text, and use character styles for inline emphasis like strong or emphasis. Aim to replace direct, manual formatting with named styles. If a line is stubborn, clear direct formatting first, then apply the correct style. Work top to bottom so your document settles into a consistent rhythm. Headings first, then body text, then lists, tables, and captions. When everything looks consistent, save your merged document. For large or complex files, consider opening Manage Styles from the Styles pane. This lets you tidy up the style list, reduce duplicates with similar names, and prioritize the styles you actually want to use. Cleaning that list makes it easier to keep formatting consistent as you continue editing or share the file with others. That's it. You've merged multiple Word documents and unified their styles in a reliable, repeatable way. Save your work, and you're ready to share or export with confidence.